Much of the time, people use Excel to sum columns and rows of data. In fact, it occurs so frequently that Excel has included a feature called AutoSum that automatically performs a selected function, like sum, on a selected column or row of uninterrupted cells, meaning no blank spaces. This saves you time in creating basic formulas. To use this feature, select the cell that's located at the end of the column or row that you would like to add, and then click the AutoSum button that appears in the Function Library group on the Formulas tab in the ribbon. Excel will select a range of adjacent cells for you. If Excel chose the wrong range of cells, then just use your mouse to click and drag over the correct range of cells to use in the formula. Finally, click the AutoSum button again or press the Enter key on your keyboard to accept the formula proposed. Another way to use this tool is to click and drag over the cells in the columns or rows which you want to add, leaving a blank cell at the end of the columns or rows where you want the answers to appear. Then simply click the AutoSum button once to add the selected columns and rows and display the answers in the blank cell or cells that you selected. Now notice if you try to perform the AutoSum command on a cell that is at the intersection of a row and a column, AutoSum will attempt to use the data in the column versus using the data in the row. You can intervene and change the initial selection that Excel makes if needed. Also, despite its name, the AutoSum command is not limited to the sum function. You can click the drop-down that's shown to the right of the AutoSum button to select a different function to perform. If the function you want to use is not shown, you can choose the More Functions command from the button's drop-down menu to open the Insert Function dialog box where you can select from all of Excel's available functions.